Hello everyone, I think we are live and ready to go. My name is Nadia and I am the support manager for Xuver. We're starting with short live sessions about various situations that can be quickly and easily solved by Xuver. The meaning of Xuver is to bring people together to an understanding about their future projects and to give them the experience of a space and solution regarding these projects. These sessions will take no longer than 10 minutes, and during this time I'll show you how Xuver works and what you can achieve. Today we will talk about a common issue that can appear during designing an open space, in our case living room and kitchen. It was actually based on a real story between a client and the architect. There were several ideas where to put a fireplace, in a way that it will create a cozy and pleasant atmosphere. First, the idea were shown in a 2D format. And seeing this, the client liked the first version and insisted on having the fireplace in the middle, according to his understanding of a 2D plan. This way, he thought he would separate living room and kitchen into two areas which are united, but at the same time can be experienced as separate areas. The second version was to put a fireplace near the wall, between the dining table and TV. In this version, you add an aisle in the kitchen and the flow of walking outside on the terrace isn't blocked by the couch. On the third version, the fireplace was put against the stairs and two couches were added in the lounge area, as well as the aisle in the kitchen also was added. This option was also considered by the client. You have a larger lounge area and a good view of a TV, fireplace, and the terrace. As the client wasn't sure till the end what would be his final decision, the architect sent him screenshots of 3D model. All the versions seemed reasonable, although because those are static images, you can't really experience the space, so this is when we get to Xuver. I'm gonna go switch to sharing screen. So, this is the model of the situation I was talking about. I have a 3D model of a living room and kitchen exported from ARCHICAD, and I created 3 scenes according to the situations I mentioned before. At the bottom, you see Tools button. You click on it and you go to Layers. Here are the 3 scenes created according to the situation we discussed. Let's go to first situation, fireplace in the middle. We turn on the layer and we see how it looks. Fireplace in the middle is a way too heavy object for interior. The space required for this idea needs to be bigger. It feels like a mistake in the construction. It doesn't have a background, a story, why it has to be there. Even though in 2D plan it seemed reasonable, and also it seemed like it would separate the spaces, now it looks like it's blocking the view. Also, I will switch to fly through. You can see also the distance between couch and TV is way bigger than it seemed on 2D floor plan. And the main issue for this idea is that from the dining table, dining space, you don't have a view of a fireplace, which is unfortunate and not good. Let's go to the second version. Fireplace against the staircase. Also a nice idea. The lounge area became bigger because of the 2 couches. An aisle appeared. You have a nice view of a TV, terrace, and fireplace. But it seems the living room now is too crowded. Even if you remove 1 couch and add 2 chairs, or you remove the couch at all, Now living room is not so cozy. It feels more like a hall. So if we keep it like this, it's too crowded. If we remove a couch, it's too empty. We will go to the last version. This one. So in the end, this was the best option that the client and architect agreed to use as a final decision. As generic as it is, putting the fireplace against the wall between the dining room and lounge area is making its trick. A perfect view from different angles of the space, of the TV, terrace, and of the living room. And also adding the aisle for the kitchen, so it would seem like it's a bit separate, but still in the same area as everything else. One more thing important is that not putting the fireplace against the staircase is not blocking the view from the staircase when you come down. And you can have an overview of the model of the living room. Space is not crowded, stairs are not blocked, the couch does not interfere with the flow of the movement when you go outside. So you can see having the ability to walk or fly in your design gives different opinions and visions about how the space feels. I will turn on and off the layers again so you can see it again. So first was fireplace in the middle, which is very heavy, blocking the view. Then fireplace near the staircase, too crowded, blocking the stairs. And final decision. As you can see, the difference between static images and flying through your model gives you a way better understanding of the model. So you can present it to your customer and to your client, so he would feel this, he would have the same experience as an architect does. And you can have a faster and better agreement of the final decision. I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you next week on a different topic. If you have, if you haven't had the possibility to watch this webinar, we will upload this online, and you'll have the link to check it again and see. So thank you for watching, and take care.